Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can block any website using Chrome. So let me just show you why we need this. So sometimes we are frequently open some website like the news website, like social media site. So we should block them so we can utilize our time in good things. So how we can do this? So it's really very easy. I already have blocked some websites, so let me show you how we can do this. So first of all, you need to just search here block website extension Chrome, and you will see here block site and stay focused, that extension, Chrome extension. Click on this and we need to add this extension. Click on add to Chrome. Now click on that extension icon and just make it pink. Now what we need to do here, we just need to go to that extension link like this, just click on this. Okay, just agree. Okay, here. And now let's click on block site. As you can see, there is no block site, so click on go to the setting option here. Now click on add to block list. Click on type here, just open any website. So suppose I frequently visit the news sites. Okay, so I'm gonna block this site here. Go to the, just copy paste this website link like this. Okay, and just click on add here. Okay, just done and click on done. Okay, so now let's try to open the website. Now let's see how this will work. Okay, so see, it's like nice try, you put in your blog website, right? So whenever you try to open any blog website, so this message you will see like this here. So that's really amazing extension that you can use to focus on your work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.